Night animals. Night animals. Introduction. Some animals are active at night when it is dark. These animals sleep during the day while the sun shines. These animals have special eyes to help them see in the dark. Most of them also hear and smell well. Their senses help them find food at night. In the air, this owl is active at night. It catches mice and rats in the dark. This bat is active at night. It eats fruit and nectar in the dark. In water, this nurse shark is active at night. It finds crabs and clams in the dark. This hermit crab is active at night. It looks for little fish and worms in the dark. On land, this tiger is active at night. It hunts deer and wild beasts in the dark. Are you active at night or during the day?
Good job!